Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Acuity scheduling link? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the link to your Acuity scheduling calendar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling coaching through Acuity scheduling, maybe you just set it up and you're not sure where to find the link. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity scheduling dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you're looking for your link to your Acuity scheduling, there's actually two different ways you can look for this. The first and easiest way is your scheduling page right here on the left. Okay, here on the scheduling page, it's going to show all of the services that you're currently offering. And to get the link to your calendar here on the left, click on link. Okay, so here you can go ahead and copy the link to your calendar, so you can go ahead and share that in your Facebook post or YouTube channel. Now, if you are selling a product that is a direct link, so it's a private product, basically invitation only, you're going to need to go to the product itself. So let's go ahead and go back to the home screen. Okay, here on the home screen on the left side, you want to click on appointment types. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different services that you're currently offering. And if you have a private product you're offering, here on the right, you're going to click on direct scheduling link. Once you do that, you're going to see a link to that one particular product, and you can go ahead and copy that. You can go ahead and send it out in an email or a text message or however you normally share your links. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the link to your Acuity scheduling product, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.